Thanks, Heather. Again, the really important elements of digital transformation, especially given clinicians and different teams across any organisation are often heavily involved in the use of clinical systems. Some important points for candidates to consider might include highlighting cross-functional collaboration, so teamwork examples, highlight how you've worked effectively across cross-functional teams, including IT and technical, clinicians and corporate teams, to resolve issues and implement solutions. It's also worth emphasising your role in fostering collaboration and facilitating constructive communication. And then conflict resolution, you might want to provide examples of how you've managed conflicts or different opinions within a team to reach a consensus or a solution. So important, when working across cross-functional teams. Secondly, showing an understanding of factors that motivate clinicians to make changes to the way they work within a digital transformation context. So it's important for candidates to demonstrate they identify what's important to clinicians and what motivates them to move away from traditional working practices. So, for example, will it benefit the patient or provide improved patient care? And if so, candidates are much more likely, when tapping into those drivers, to have positive clinical engagement. Also, candidates who can show a track record of delivery and demonstrate positive clinical engagement in past assignments or roles will definitely be well positioned. A real simple point, but so crucial, is effective communication. So clear, concise and tailored communication is crucial. I think candidates who can articulate the benefits and impacts of a project or program in a way that resonates with clinicians are often much more successful. And that really includes listening actively to clinicians and concerns and feedbacks and adapting your approach accordingly to take those into account. Again, something that's key when we're talking about clinical transformation is strong experience of change management. So navigating the complexities of change within the healthcare setting, which really requires strong change management skills. I think candidates who are used to managing resistance, understanding the dynamics of change and guiding teams through transitions are generally more effective. And then finally, and this is a real key point, given that we're living in the information age, is data-driven decision making. I think candidates who can analyse data, present findings clearly and use evidence to support their recommendations are much more likely to gain stakeholder buy-in and engagement, if it can be backed up in evidence with hard data. But yeah, that's how I'd summarise that. Thanks, Heather.
Thanks, Andy. And you obviously both made sort of key points there about active listening, and it just shows how important that is, particularly in programs of this nature.